Good morning, myself Himanshu Kaushik. I'm preparing for NDA 2021. Today is 23rd May 2021 and today's topic is female foeticide. So, first of all, we need to know about what is female foeticide. It is basically when the children is in her mother's womb. I used the word her because it is mostly used for, not mostly, it is only used for female means girls inside her mother's womb, and they are killed during their pregnancy gestation period. The reason behind that are a lot of factor play behind it, and it is mostly done in India. So let's get started with the starting. It started with in 1990s. Ultrasound was invented for treating the diseases while a woman in her gestation period faces. To treat those diseases, ultrasound was invented and treatment was started. But as you know, we are humans, and especially in India, we are such kind of humans that we should also feel ashamed of ourselves when we do such kind of things. For example, the misuse started in 1990s of this ultrasound. What used to be done was like, if there is a mother, she is pregnant right now and going through her gestation period, then ultrasound will be used to determine the gender of the child in her womb. And if that child is boy, then there is not any problem. They will keep that boy till it take birth, and after birth they will nourish him, and keep them. They will cut करना पड़ेगा शायद. They will keep it with them. But when it comes to when if it is a girl, then most of Indians, what they used to do is they killed her inside her womb, and that is female foeticide. I don't know the proper pronunciation, but I'll try my best. That's female foeticide, and there are many factors. So let's get started with the factors. The factor that is one of the very old misconception that Indians have is that boys are essential to make their generation and generation, to keep their hereditary alive, to keep their ancestors pride alive. And that is obviously we know that's completely wrong. But this was the mentality of people in 1990s and even today in most of states. So uh, because of this, there are many problems created by this. So let's get started. Let me list out the problems created due to this. So the first and the major problem is sex ratio, due to which girls number of girls are a lot lesser than the number of boys in our society, due to which further many problems we have to face. Like, uh, due to this, female are discriminated, and they are like injustice. They are like unequally treated, due to which it is getting hard to them to survive in our society. Further, due to this, many females attempt suicides, and most of the suicides are just because of this. After that, when we talk about further effects of it, then we come to kidnapping. People kidnap females and sell them or marry them. As you know, the due to as the number of females are lesser as compared to men, so they are sold, married, and harassed, and further they are like they are treated unequally. And you might be thinking that a few laws must be made against it. Then let me tell you, laws were made in 1994. A act was brought in India and which came into enforcement in 1996, that it is completely illegal to use that ultrasound technique to determine the gender of the child in her mother's womb and to kill it. This is completely illegal, but then too in many states this is even today practiced, and that's the worst part of it. So what our appeal must be, what the solution is, to make those acts enforcement as strict as possible, and the doctors and the parents who practice this female foeticide, we must take strict action against them, and take them under judicial custody, and we must raise voice against these kind of things, and we should act as a responsible citizen for our India. Jai Hind.